Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with a Huafit Watch S8, and on this video we are going to connect it with our iPhone. The smartwatch is using the Daffit app. We have the QR code here, you can scan this, and it's available on Android and iOS. Again, on this video we are going to pair it or connect it with our iPhone. So if you are interested to see whether the Huafit Watch S8 works with iPhone, watch this video. And if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start and pair it with our iPhone. So let's search the Daffit application on the App Store. So we have here, already search it here. We have here the app, Daffit. Download the application. Okay, let's wait for it. It will automatically install it in our iPhone. Okay, so the download is complete. Let's open the app. Okay, so we have here our first permission, allow. Then the notifications, allow it. And agree to the privacy policy. So we have here another permission for our location. This is for our GPS. Allow once or allow while using the app. We'll pick this one. Then as you can see here, we have at least 3 smartwatches: the Owlon Curve, Huafit S8, and the X-Watch H4. So our smartwatch here is the Watch S8. So tap on the Watch S8. Okay, allow the Bluetooth pairing request. Allow the iPhone notifications. Then tap on next. Complete the profile. Then save. Then go to the device menu. And we have here, we are connected. So very easy to set up for the Huafit Watch S8 with our iPhone. Double check. Basic setup, notifications, let's see. Can disable some of the apps here. As you can see, we are paired. And the permission is granted for our notification. We have others. Time format, 12-hour format time, that's okay. Unit format, metric, yes. Language is English. Auto lock, you can set this. So the highest here is 30 seconds, done. The weather is okay. Full day heart rate will not enable this. Reminders to move, we'll activate this. Heart rate alert, yes. 180. We'll drop it to 165. Okay. Then go back. So what are the other settings here? We have the workout routine, the daily activity tracking, the profile, 10,000 steps. You can connect it with the Strava and Apple Health. Go back to the device. We have the watch faces here, the shutter, and the world clock. We have the e-card also. You can also add your favorite contacts. For the watch faces here, let's see if we can access it. Edit. Back. Face gallery. So we have a lot of options here. Let's try to download a watch face and see if the connection is stable. So let's select one. Let's pick this one. Simple. Then apply. And as you can see here, our smartwatch switched to download mode. And very fast. We already have here our watch face. And so far, we are already more than a minute here, and still we are connected. So that's how you set up or connect your Huafit Watch S8 with your iPhone. For those who are asking whether it works with iPhone, yes, it works. The Huafit Watch S8 is compatible with iOS platform. If you have any questions regarding the setup, drop a comment below, and if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.